Howdy folks, I'm needing a vacuum pump, so I watched 3 different YouTube videos to show how to rewire one, but none of them worked because the wiring and sensors were different. On this one here, I had to use a little trial and error, and this is what wiring I came up with after throwing sparks. Of course, I wore some rubber insulating gloves to prevent shocking myself. I've got brown to green for the ground after hooking up the red to the black and the orange to the white. We'll go ahead and give this a little power while that big truck passes by. And here you go. Suction and pressure. It's got some oil coming out. If it quits doing that, I will need to add a little refrigerant oil into the suction side. I have a fitting here off an old one I'm going to put on so I can put my service hose on my AC gauges. There you go, friends.